Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the drones that are being advertised on Facebook. I ordered a drone, a Mavic lookalike or Mavic drone with a 4K video and 2 additional batteries. That would have been the $150 package, or $149.99. That is a CD laying on top of the box that it came in. That is it was inside that bubble wrap, which was inside that blister, or this USPS style bag. And I'm going to lay it back down. And it was about that size when it come in the mail, because it fit in the mailbox easily. Alright, here is the box. Now the box came in squished, but the product inside appears to be intact. And I'm just going to flip it around a few times for you to look at it. And the photographs look really nice and everything. First thing you notice right off the bat, that is not the remote controller that they show in the video. And there, the phone would attach between the two paws right there. Now notice that one of the other things was they advertised a 3-axis gimbal, a 4K camera, and like I said, I paid extra money for the 4K camera and the 3-axis gimbal, and there's no mention of any of that. Gesture control, which appears to be only through DJI, which means they were already false advertising from the get-go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what you get. You get a drone and that little bitty remote, which I've only seen one that small on a child's game, and because my hand is so huge, I can't even use that. There are no extra batteries in the pack at all. There's a kit with some extra props. Now, if anybody wants to know, that right there is a Swiss Army knife. I use it to clean it under my fingernails. It is the small version of the Swiss Army knife. The drone is barely larger than the most small version of the Swiss Army penknife. That is my pointing finger right there, and it is actually bigger than the drone. My finger is bigger than the drone. This is not what was being advertised on the internet. If you spend any money on it, expect it to come in as a toy. This is what I caught myself opening earlier and became very, very, very frustrated about. I already have a complaint in through PayPal, and I've got a complaint into Facebook. I also have a complaint into YouTube for being complicit in this. All I can call it is a fraud, because look, this is my thumb. That is a drone. My thumb is still bigger than the drone. Now, if you extend the little things out, little arms and everything, probably would be. I'm not even going to attempt it, because first of all, my pointing finger is almost bigger than the remote. I am not I'm not that small. I'm a very, very large person. But I hope to hear something back from somebody by close of business today, and I'm expecting to hear back from my attorney in I'd say about an hour, because last I heard he was at lunch. Well, folks, this is what's being pawned on the internet as the best drone ever type deal. So it's not.